Hey, Smart 4 Homers. Welcome back to our channel. Are you thinking about how to reset your Blink doorbell camera? Blink doorbell cameras are excellent devices for enhancing the security of your home. They allow you to monitor your front door and receive alerts on your smartphone when someone is at your doorstep. Why resetting your Blink doorbell camera is necessary? Resetting your Blink doorbell camera can be necessary for various reasons. It can help resolve technical glitches, improve performance, and re-establish a stable connection with your Wi-Fi network. What you'll need. Before you start the reset process, ensure you have the following items ready. 1. A stable Wi-Fi connection. 2. Your Blink doorbell camera. 3. A small screwdriver. 4. Your smartphone with the Blink app installed. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step guide to reset your Blink doorbell camera. Step 1. Power off the Blink doorbell camera. Step 2. Remove the batteries. Step 3. Wait for 10 seconds. Step 4. Reinsert the batteries. Step 5. Power on the camera. Step 6. Reconnect to Wi-Fi. Step 7. Test the camera. Conclusion. Resetting your Blink doorbell camera can be a simple yet effective solution to various technical issues. By following the step-by-step guide provided in this video, you can troubleshoot problems and enjoy uninterrupted security monitoring. Remember to maintain your camera regularly to prevent future resets and ensure it operates at its best. Let us know if you face any problems, comments down below. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to click the like button, and share it with a friend. Subscribe to Smart 4 Home and hit the notification bell icon for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching.